Progress Report. Hello and welcome to Hustle and Motivate with Ghetto Exodus. And for everybody that has been supporting from day one, they've been subscribed, they have been liking, much appreciated. And for everybody, this is your first time watching, then none of this will make sense. So check this out. Now, as you can see, we came a long way. And this is just the start. While I'm hustling to motivate, especially our ghetto youth. And if you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Please click the like button. Please leave a comment. And criticism is welcome, especially if it's uplifting, especially if it's constructive criticism. Would be much appreciated. So please do. Please do type in and give us your tips and advice. What would you like me to do? What would you like me to see to change? What would you like me to add? The wall over here feels empty. That wall is clear. Let me turn the camera a little. You can see over there, there's nothing on that wall. Need to remove that. But tell me, what would you like me to add? I've got my post here, Ghetto Exodus, the Kickflex memoir, one of my proudest works. Let me tilt the camera a little. That's my ebook, the book I wrote. And I still need to add something, I don't know what. I want to add lights, probably around there, but I don't want it to take away from these lights. No, you cannot see there. But I want to add light somewhere. I'm thinking blue. But there's still a lot to do. And the floor still need to be cleaned. There's still a little here. Still a lot to do. Still a lot of cement that I need to scrape up to clean the floor. I've got this little rug there I want to lay in the middle. I found that rug on a dump. Actually, not on a dump. There were some rich old people that went to the bin, wanted to dump this thing. And those people were like saying that some million rands worth of houses. So they came to dump it and I asked if I can have it. And this is some of the gravel cement that I scraped up, but there's still a lot more I need to scrape up. I still need to get a better door frame. I need to fix the door. I need a better door. It doesn't close. I need a door frame. I need a new door. Also need a ceiling. That looks a little better. Let me switch on this also. Yeah, so that's GEM, Ghetto Exodus Media. And that's my book, Ghetto Exodus, the Cape Flats Memoir by Linworth Mentor. So Exodus, biblical Exodus, means to leave or to escape. And this is how it looks at the moment. Take this out of the way. Let me remove this. Yeah, so this is what the studio looks like right now. And there's still a lot of work to be done, but I'm going to do it. And I'm going to hustle and hustle and hustle. And I will motivate and do everything in my power to create a better future for my children, for my people, for my community, for our ghetto youth. Yeah, so that's about it. Thank you for watching it so far. And if you're not subscribed yet, then please click on the subscribe button. Please like the video. Please share it. Please tell your friends about it. Please tell your people about it. Please tell your church about it. Please tell your mosque about it. Please tell your community about it. Please tell everybody about it. And please tell your single auntie about me, because I'm single. And I thank you. Stay